In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to complete a discharge. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the patient's hub of the person that you're going to be discharging. You want to check to see if the patient is on any medications and also confirm if they are taking Suboxone. Also, you want to check the problem list to see if they are eligible for Narcan. Completing this first will help you to complete your documentation smoothly. Once you've reviewed, what you want to do is go to the Corrections tab and then select Discharge Console. From the Discharge Console, you're going to click on New Discharge. And then at the top, you're going to hit the Select button and then search the name of the patient who you are discharging. Now we want to make sure that our type shows final discharge. This is where it will default to, but we want to make sure that that is where it is. Next, you want to click on Final Plan, and you want to complete the responses for each question. You want to make sure that you enter the lines for these last three options, as you will need a space to sign as the staff discharging the patient, enter the date and time, and then have the patient sign as well. Because we answered yes to the question asking if the patient is currently receiving Suboxone through our MAT program, we do have to complete the initial plan. So up at the top right, you're going to click on the tab that says Initial Plan, and you're going to answer these questions. For the community provider, the MAT community provider, what you're going to do is navigate to the hub. So you'll click on hub at the top of the discharge. Click on the notes section on the floating toolbar, and you're going to click on the box that shows the community care provider. You're going to hit the pencil here so that you can copy the community care provider. You can just hit cancel here so that no changes are actually made, and click OK to close the window. You can then close the patient hub and then return to the discharge window. Next to where it says community care provider, you are going to click on the notes section and just simply paste the community care provider in that box. And then click OK. Once you're done with that, we are going to print, and then in this section here you want to click on the all categories button twice, and we're going to print out the initial plan. If there are any meeting notes for the patient, you're going to select that. We always want to, of course, check off the final plan, as this is the initial section that's completed, the problem list, and then medications and medical history for the patient. You're going to print. Make sure that you select the appropriate printer destination and always print out 2 copies. So you can have the patient sign both copies, the medical provider will sign both copies, and then the patient will be able to leave with 1 copy, and we'll keep 1 copy for our records. And hit print. Once you've completed printing the discharge form, you're going to click on Addressed in the status, and then click OK. When it asks, are you sure you want to address, we are going to select yes. And that concludes this video.